Hey everybody, welcome back to Be Better on Purpose with Dr. Darryl L. Jones. Hey, welcome back everybody. Thank you for tuning in to my YouTube channel, Be Better on Purpose with Dr. Darryl L. Jones. And today's video is about you want to start your own business. There are many people who I know personally, and there are many people who are out there in YouTube land all over the world who desire to own their own business. They are very talented, very skilled, and if given the opportunity, could be very successful in having their own business. The only issue is they know their skills, they know their talent, they don't know the legalities of how to create a legal entity or a legal business. That's why I'm here to help. My years of experience in working in business entities, creating corporations for people, creating non-profits for people. I even have my own trademark for Be Better on Purpose with the United States Trademark and Patent Office. I've created several 501c3s for not only myself, but for other people also. And maybe you have an idea about creating your own nonprofit, your own business, and you know what to do, you just don't know how to do it or how to get it done. There are very simple steps. Well, I guess to me they may be simple, but to others they might not be. But there are some simple steps into getting your business off the ground, making you the CEO of your own company. Therefore, you'll be able to make all the money off of your own talent and skill and keep them for yourself. One of the things I would like to share with you in these easy steps is, first, you have to realize you have a talent and or a skill to survive and to make the kind of money you desire to work on your own. Or maybe you have some friends or family members or some other business people who might be able to go in business with you, and you might want to come together to create a business. So, one of the first things you need to do is create a federal tax identification number, FEIN. You do that with the Department of Revenue's Internal Revenue Service. You go and you create what's called a FEIN, a Federal Employee Identification Number, which is also called your Federal Tax ID number. Once you get that completed, then you want to go and make sure that your Secretary of State, no matter which state you stay in, you have to go to their site. You have to see if the name you want is available. If that name is available, you want to apply to the Secretary of State. You want to pay the registration, and once you pay that registration and you fill out that form, then after probably 10 to 30 days, they will let you know if you've been approved and completely registered as a business in that particular state. After you do that, then if you're a non-profit organization, you want to go to the IRS and complete what's called a Form 1023, which is the application for completing to become a 501c3 non-profit organization. That application is very difficult to fill out for some and simple to fill out for others. For me, I filled out several, so it is simple. And I do those for many people at a charge. Not only do I charge, but there's a charge from the IRS for the application as well, which is minimal. Well, I guess minimal to some. But if you want to create a nonprofit or a business, the steps you need to do is get you a federal tax ID number, which is a FEIN. You want to go to the Secretary of State, and you want to complete a registration. And once you do complete the registration and get approved from the Secretary of State, then if it's a nonprofit, you want to go to the IRS and you want to complete the Form 1023. If it's a for-profit office, corporation, once you finish the Secretary of State, then you want to go to your local county and fill out a registration with your county. And once you do that and get approved, then your business is considered organized. Then you'll be required to pay the proper tax, if any, on these business in these simple steps. I will have links. I will have information on how to do that in this YouTube video. And contact me either via email, a comment, or you can inbox me. I hope this helped you. I hope I created and stirred up something inside of you that will let you know that you don't have to always work for somebody. I believe that you too might have an idea to create your own business or your own nonprofit. And if so, and if I could be of help, reach out to me and I will do what I can do. And if I can't do it, I will guide you to the proper person. So, until we're together again, be better on purpose with Dr. Darryl L. Jones.